We are going to be looking at ordering integers, both positive and negative numbers. Let's start by ordering the numbers positive 2 and positive 9. We can use a number line to help us. Here are positive 2 and positive 9 on a number line. If we move from left to right on the number line, the numbers get bigger. Positive 9 is further to the right than positive 2. So we can say that positive 9 is greater than positive 2. There is a special way we write this in maths. To help you remember this, we are going to use a greedy crocodile. The greedy crocodile always wants to eat the bigger number. He opens his jaws wide to eat it. This shape of his jaws is the same as the symbol we use. This symbol is called an inequality sign. This mathematical expression means that positive 9 is greater than positive 2. If we read the number line from right to left or going down the number line, the numbers get smaller. Positive 2 is further to the left than positive 9. So we can say that positive 2 is smaller than positive 9. Again, we have a special way to write this. And again, we are going to use the greedy crocodile. He still wants to eat the bigger number, and the shape of his jaws gives us the shape of the less than symbol. This says that positive 2 is less than positive 9. Now let's compare some negative numbers. Negative 5 and negative 8. Negative 5 is further to the right than negative 8. So we can say that negative 5 is greater than negative 8. Let's use the crocodile to help us remember the symbol. The greedy crocodile eats the bigger number. So this says negative 5 is greater than negative 8. Negative 8 is further to the left on the number line than negative 5. So we can say that negative 8 is less than negative 5. The greedy crocodile still wants to eat the bigger number. So we can write this out like this. One more set of numbers for us to compare. Positive 3 and negative 4. Here they are on the number line. Positive 3 is further to the right than negative 4. So we can say that positive 3 is greater than negative 4. The greedy crocodile will help us write this out in a mathematical way. The greedy crocodile eats the bigger number. This gives us the shape of the symbol. This says positive 3 is greater than negative 4. Negative 4 is further to the left than positive 3. So we can say that negative 4 is less than positive 3. Our greedy crocodile wants to eat the bigger number, giving us the shape of the symbol we need to use. This says negative 4 is less than positive 3. We can use these inequality signs when we arrange things in order. Let's put these numbers in order. We know all negative numbers are less than 0 and all positive numbers are greater than 0. So we put 0 in the middle first. Now we can group all the positive numbers together and all the negative numbers together. We want to arrange in ascending order. So we want the number furthest to the left on the number line. This is negative 10. As we move up the number line, we get to negative 5, then negative 4 and negative 2. All the positive numbers are greater than 0, and as we go up the number line, we would get positive 3 first, then positive 7, and finally positive 9. These numbers are now in ascending order, but we can put inequalities between them like this. Remember to think of the greedy crocodile eating the bigger number. Here are some more numbers that we are going to arrange in descending order. Again, we first split them into positive and negative. This time, we want the number furthest to the right on the number line first. The most positive number, which is positive 92. As we go down the number line, the next number we would reach is positive 38. As we go down past 0, we would start to get more negative. Negative 28 would come first, then negative 43, and finally negative 100. These numbers are now in descending order. Again, we can use inequalities between each number